Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk about something that's on everyone's minds, Bitcoin. Is this price rally sustainable? Will BTC hit $30,000? Well, in the last few days, we've seen a surge in buy pressure from Bitcoin that triggered a 22% upswing. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We need to keep an eye on other signs that are emerging on lower timeframes to determine where Bitcoin is heading next. The sell-off that began in the second week of March was caused by failing banks in the United States, which triggered a depeg in major US-based stablecoins. However, by the end of the week, the Fed assured investors that they would make them whole, which instilled confidence and catalyzed this recovery. Currently, the Bitcoin price is hovering around $24,300. A daily candle below $22,400 would invalidate the current bullish narrative for Bitcoin. All right, let's now take a look into the charts and do some technical analysis to see some potential trades that we could take.
This right here is the weekly chart, and we can see that we have an area of resistance that was previously support around here that we broke towards the downside, and then it was an area of resistance a few times. So we need to be able to rise above this area of resistance to continue going to the $30,000 mark. Now, let's take a look at the moving averages on the weekly chart. This yellow line right here is the 50-week moving average, which the price has now broken above. And we're also above the 20-week moving average. And we have this red line, which is the 200-week moving average, which will be a very, very strong level of resistance, which we need to be able to break as well. Now let's take a look at the daily moving average, and we can see that the price is now above all of the three main moving averages on the daily chart. If this white line right here, which is the 20-day moving average, manages to cross above the 50-day moving average, which is the yellow line, then the price will have confirmed a bullish formation on the daily chart, which is really, really good for the Bitcoin price, of course. So let's see what happens. Hopefully the price can close above these three moving averages. And on the weekly chart, again, the price manages to close also above this 200-day moving average, which will be a nice catalyst for the Bitcoin price to continue rising all the way up to $30,000.
So the main things that we have to keep in mind are the CPI index today, the announcement by the Fed, then the one-day chart moving averages, and if they're going to have a bullish formation, meaning 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day. So we need to wait for the cross of the 20 and the 50, and then the weekly moving averages as well, if the price manages to break above the 200-day moving average, which is the red line on the chart. So these are the main things to have in mind, guys.
So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.